Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily English Talk, and today I will tell you something great, amazing and very interesting topic I will discuss today. So today is discuss how to use our time wisely and properly um, and what I say and how to use our time productively. So guys, time is very precious and time is very valuable because money, in case of money, you lost money, then after one day you can earn money, but when time is gone you can never return back time, because time is one times times time have one times, but money maybe you earn another time, but time is not um, come back. So time is, we know time is very important, but we are not we are not we are not uh, use our time properly, effectively. So how to use our time effectively, perfectly and productively? So I will tell you. Time is how to use. So I will tell you something like how successful people are use her time wisely and they are doing lots of work. So first point is mindset. Mindset, like successful people mindset is different and middle class people mindset is different, because they thought uh, and one more thing, everyone have equal time 24 hours, but they use time 24 hours, they use very productively, but we don't use productively. Why? Because because they are thought I can learn new things and I use, but we are thought I have no time. They thought I have time, but we don't thought, like successful men thought I have time and I can learn new things and I use my day productively, but we are we are we have we said I have no time to learning new things, and we are not use our time perfectly. Why? Because our mindset is like that, we have no time, but watched we scroll reels 2 hours, but we are not learning new. Why? Why? Because our mindset is like that. So first change our mindset. So first change our mindset. So how to change our mindset? First, like a successful man, so first you try to watch watch successful man stories and how they can use our time perfectly and effectively. But one more thing, you have time, you have lots of time, but you have no energy. You have time and you have time, but you have no energy. Then what we do? So in guys, in whole day morning time is very important, and morning time is very precious for you, because morning 2 hours decide our whole day, because morning time is very important for everything. So successful men use their morning wisely and productively. That's why they their whole day energetic and and they feel motivated every time, because they wake up early around 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and they are some they are doing exercise, some they do meditate, and they make to do list in the morning and they work. But we wake up 5 we wake up 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and some wake up 11:30 o'clock. So why we feel energetic, we feel laziness? So first we change our morning time morning routine. First, we try to wake up early in the morning, and instead of scrolling reels, we take we brush our teeth, and we make plan, and as soon as possible, we do meditate and do exercise for 30 minutes or 20 minutes just. But and instead of watching reels and scrolling mobile, you reading you are you try to listen successful man stories, motivational story, and positive affirmation, so we can we feel we feel energetic, we feel positive our whole day. So today video is today video is today video is uh, and you can I want to you can like this video. You If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you want to watch more, please subscribe, and keep learning, keep going, and stay focused, and stay curious, and stay positive or life. Tata, bye bye, I will meet in the next video.